Nigeria.
Right. Which can you tell us about yourself?
I'm Mrs. Oyeb Arikweta. I'm a postgraduate student of oil and gas law at the University of Aberdeen, Scotland, United Kingdom.
How did you come about the book, Nigerian Laws, Cases and Materials on Oil and Gas?
Well, I found the book Nigerian Laws, Cases and Materials on Oil and Gas Law by Barrister Niyi Ayola Daniels while I was surfing the internet gathering materials for my research work. I'm currently writing my dissertation. So when I saw it, I made a mental note to look it up whenever I was back in Nigeria.
What is the title of your dissertation?
Writing on safety of workers offshore, lessons for Nigeria from the United Kingdom. What I'm basically doing is comparing laws on safety between Nigeria and the United Kingdom and looking at the protection afforded to workers offshore. And I'm trying to make Nigeria sort of fill in the gap, drawing from the inspiration of a mature province like the United Kingdom.
What can you say that is particularly striking about this book?
Well, this book is particularly striking in many respects. First, the laws contained in the first part of it, it's a profound tool not just for students and practitioners in the industry, but especially for prospective investors in the oil and gas sector in Nigeria, because it sort of gives them a basis for making informed investment decisions, judging from the framework available right here in Nigeria. So that is what the laws here do for a prospective investor. Then the cases also mentioned in this book are quite a number on oil and gas law, decided cases of Nigerian courts. So can we take that again? just the second part. Well, whenever you're ready, give me the go ahead. All right then. Well, the cases in this book are also indispensable. Particularly that of AG, Attorney General of the Federation and Attorney General Abia State, which settled the plethora of issues in the oil and gas sector in Nigeria. The importance of cases in this book cannot be overemphasized. Whenever investment disputes occur between contracting parties, reliance is first of all made to the international arbitration, and in the event that that fails, recourse will be made back to the regular courts of law in Nigeria. What the judges in such a circumstance will do is rely on judicial precedents, which is basically doing over again what has been done before in similar circumstances in order to settle such disputes. So having these cases in this book make it easy for an investor to also have like a faint idea of what direction the courts would tilt in such a circumstance. Just forgotten to ask the next question. Other materials like international treaties which have been ratified by Nigeria. What this?
She said she